Data Knowledge Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 12, Structured Query Language, shortly SQL. Content of this video is DQL commands, Data Query Language, and order by, group by, where class, having class. So as per the syllabus given in your book, Data Query Language DQL consists of commands used to query or retrieve data from a database. One such SQL commands in the data query language is select. So what is the use of select? It displays the records from the table. That means it is used to retrieve the data which is stored in a table. How to use the select command? Query is a command given to get a desired result from the database table. The select command is used to query or retrieve data from a table in a database. So it is used to retrieve a subset of records from one or more tables. So using the select command, we are able to retrieve the record stored in one or more tables. How to use this? Select, and we have to give the column list from table name. So the table name is the name of the table from which the information is retrieved. Column list includes one or more columns. So this is the format to use the select command. Here there is a table, admission number, name, gender, age, place, and they are asking to select admission number, name from student. If it's so, the query give the result as only the admission number and the name. If it is star, it will select all the records. And there are many keywords, distinct. So the key is used along with the select command to eliminate duplicate rows. So we'll see this in our example. So select admission number, we are going to so the given record in a table is 101 to 105. Okay. Select star from student means it will select all the records. So this is a DQL command. So how we can give another DQL command means we are asking to retrieve, that means select admission number, name from student. So we need only two columns of data. So see the output. First it is select star. So it is selecting all the columns, admission number, name, gender, age, place. Next, we are asking to select only admission number and name. So the result is only admission number and the name. Select star means all the fields. So we'll use next. That is distinct. Distinct means it is going to select only the rows, eliminating the duplicate rows. So the duplicate values will not come. How to check this? See here, many duplicate values. Chennai is 2 times and Madurai also 2 times. So now we are going to use select a distinct place from. First it is giving all the details. That means Chennai is coming 2 times, Madurai also coming 2 times. Next, next command is select a distinct place from student. That means it is going to select the field name place with the distinct value. So in the place it should not repeat the duplicate values. So it is giving Bangalore, Chennai, Madurai, Trichy, Erode. So only one time it is displaying. Even it is giving null also, because more than 2 nulls are present means it will give the null also. So in the above output you can see there would be no duplicate rows in the place field. When the keyword distinct is used, only one null value is returned. That's shown in the video. So you clear with the keyword distinct, it is going to give only the particular records, eliminating the duplicate values. Next one is all. All means it is equal to star only. So it will give all the records, including the duplicate values. So select all place from student. So distinct will eliminate the duplicate values. All will give all the details. That's why the keyword all. First we are retrieving all the fields. So you can see there are 9 records. Then this is distinct, so it is eliminating the duplicate values. Then we are asking to display all, so it is giving all the 9 records including the duplicate values. So that is the use of the keyword all. But the keywords are used along with the select command, that is the DQL command. Next one is where clause. Where clause means we can give a particular condition, so it will display the records which satisfy the given condition. So they are asking to select the record where place is Chennai, where age is greater than or equal to 18. So we can select a particular field which are satisfying the given condition. Even we can use the relational operators like equal, less than equal, like which is used here. So where clause is used to give a condition. So when the where clause is used along with the select command will retrieve the records which satisfy the condition given in the where clause. Okay. So even or and not, these logical operators can also be given or can also be used to give a condition along with the where clause. So see the example. Select star all the fields from the table student where age is greater than or equal to 18. Greater than 18. So 18 and 19. So first one is, even we can give 2 conditions. That means age is greater than 18, at the same time the place is Delhi, and means the date that records should satisfy both the conditions. That means the place should be Delhi as well as the age should be greater than 18. Or means either one of the condition is true, it will give not, as well as if the condition is not equal to Delhi, the record should be displayed. So we can use the condition as per our requirement. So first here where place is Chennai as well as age is greater than or equal to 18. We are giving 2 conditions along with the where clause. Just we'll run the query, press the go button and check the output. So if with both the conditions there is no record. So we'll change the condition a little bit. So I'll give the age as 17. So now check. So the place name is Chennai as well as the age is greater than 17. So it is giving the record which satisfy both the conditions. Next we'll give another condition. See here, the place is Madurai and the age is greater than or 17 and the logical relational operator is OR. OR means whether the place should be Madurai or the age should be greater than 19. Any one of the condition is true, the record should be displayed. So the age is 18, 19, but the place is Madurai. Here the place is Tiruchi, but the age is greater than or equal to 19. So it will give the records which satisfy any one of the condition, whether the place is Madurai or whether the age is 19. So we can use the DQL commands along with the where class of given condition. Is it possible in MySQL? Here the condition is that the place is not Madurai. So here the places are not Madurai, only Bangalore, Chennai. Other than Madurai are displayed. So we have used and, or, not, and also greater than, less than values with the where class. Next keyword is between and not between. So between means it is of value between 18 and 19 and not between 18 and 19. So we can use this type of keywords along with the where class. In means like or condition, whether the place is in Chennai or in Delhi. The in keyword also used. So you may think that many similarities are there, but there will be some situations to use in and or also. So we can learn. So we have to select a particular keyword for a suitable situation. So let's learn all the keywords, how to use it. Not in. So the places not in Chennai and Delhi are the records selected. So it is Bangalore and Bangalore. It depends upon the record which is inside. Same thing, not null can also be used. Is null. That means it is checking whether it is null or not. So the records which where the ages are null, those records are displayed. So see here, between 18 and 19. So the where age is between 18 and 19. So execute the query. So the age is only from 18 to 19. So next keyword is not between 18 and 19. Execute the query. First is it is 18 and 19 and next is only 17 because not of 18 and 19. So able to follow me. If you execute by yourself these commands, so you feel happy and you will enjoy how to take the records based on your own conditions. So next query is select star from student where place in Trichy and Chennai. So Trichy and Chennai alone has to come. So Trichy and Chennai. So Trichy and Chennai alone is coming. So we can also use not in Trichy and Chennai. So except Trichy and Chennai, all the records are retrieved. So Chennai and Trichy means only particular record. Not in means so not in Trichy and Chennai. So except Trichy and Chennai, all the places records are displayed. So next command is null. So we are checking whether the place value is null. Yes, there are 2 records with the place value null. Is null means it is giving only the null records. Select star from student means it will give all the records. So we have learned what are the keywords used along with the select command. Now we are going to see order by. Order by means it is used to sort the record. That means arrange the record either in ascending order or descending order. We can sort the column, that means the field name. Based on the field name, the given data are arranged whether in ascending order or descending order. So default it is ascending. If we want to descending means we have to use the keyword DESC. So the format is select a column name from table name, order by, based on which column it should be ordered. That means they are giving here is select star from student. All the fields should be selected based on name. That means the name should be in ascending order. Based on that, all the records should be displayed. So order by name. We can even give a condition based on a order by. So the records more than 18 age has to display, but the record should be arranged in the name of descending order. So select the start from student order by age. So the age is given in a ascending order. So first it is normal. So select start from student, all the records are given based on how we inserted the record. Now it is arranged order by age. So the records are given in the basis of age 17, 18 and 19. Next, where age is greater than 18, order by name. So the records are only with 18 and 19, but the records are arranged based on the name in ascending order. So this is normal, select start from student. So it is giving all the records in an unordered manner. Unordered means it is based on the way how we inserted the record. Here it is 17, order by age. So 17, 18, 19 in ascending order. Next is greater than 18 by the name. So arranged on basis of the name. Others, Chinna, Kabin, Madi. The names are in ascending order. At the same time the records ages are 18 and 19 alone. That means greater than 18. Is it clear, children? So age is greater than 18, order by name. So names are in ascending order, and the same time records are having ages greater than 18 and 19. Next, the name is arranged in descending order. So the records and names are in descending order. Next it is group by. Group by means we can group the records based on identical values. That means we can split the table into groups. How to do this? Select gender from student, group by gender. For example, the gender is male and female. Female means it will group the gender as male and female. If we have other or any other gender, then this also will be displayed. Then even we can count the number of records based on this group. How many male, how many female can also be grouped. How to do this? we can use a function count of star. So gender, first the display is gender. The next column is count of star, means count of gender. So it will group the records based on gender. So male are 5 and female are 3 records. So if we want to select a record or count a record in a classroom or in a student report, we can easily use this command to count how many male and female. See here, it is a gender from student group by gender. So male and female. Next one is male and female, but it has to count how many males and females are there. So see here, F and M. So order group by gender means it is having male and female, only 2 categories. Then count star from group by gender. That means male is 5 and female is 4 and male is 5. So it is grouped as well as it is counted the data. Then we are going to use having place equal to Chennai. So having means we are going to use group by followed by a condition. How to use this? See here, first is select age, count group by age. So it is going to group the age. How many 17, how many 18, how many 19. Next, age we have grouped, but having the age count greater than or equal to 2. That is the meaning for this line is count greater than or equal to 2. Count of age. For example, if it is 17, 17 has to come 2 times. 18 has to come 2 times. Understand the meaning? 19 has to come 2 times. Minimum it should have been 2 times. Then only the count of age is equal to 2. I'll explain. Having followed by a condition, it must use a arithmetic condition, that is count. Count age greater than 2. If the given age is 17, it has to come 2 times. I am giving us 4. What is the meaning? Count age is 4 means, for example, it is 17, 18, 19, 20. If the age 19 is coming 4 times or more than 4 times, then it will display. Shall we check? See here, all the records. Select star from student means all the records. So all the records are displayed how we inserted the record. Next one is group by age. So age 17, 18, 19 and count star. Count the age. Group by age. So 17 is having 3. So 3 persons are in 17. Then 4 persons are in 18. 2 persons are in 19 count. Is it clear, children? Next. So see, 18 is having 4 times. That means 18 record with the 18 are 4 records. Then see here, age count from student group by age. But we are having a having class, that is having count age greater than or equal to 4. So which count is having 4 means only 18. The record with 18 age is having 4 count. So it is having 4. So only the 18 age is displayed. So now we change. Greater than or equal to 4 instead of give 3. Then execute. All the records. So count means 17 is 3, 18 is 4, 19 is 2. We are asking for 3. So 17 and 18 are coming. Is it clear, children? So 17 record with the age 17 has 3 records. So we have learnt QL command, select command, using order by, group by, where class, having class, and also the keywords. Let's have a recap. So what is the recap? Select to display the records in the table. You know very well. Next, the keyword distinct to eliminate duplicate rows in the table. Next, between defines all range of values that record must fall into make the condition true. That means a range from 18 to 19, 100 to 200. Then in keyword is used to specify a list of values which must be matched. That means in Chennai and Trichy. So particular records are displayed. Then order by used to sort the data in either ascending or descending. Where is to select the records or filter the records based on the given condition. Group by, we can group the rows and column with the condition group by age. Then having class can used along with group by. So we need a group by to use the having. So we group the age. From the age we selected the count greater than 4 or 3. So these are the classes coming along with the DQL command. I hope it is easy for you. Kindly try this at home, those who are having the software. If you didn't install, means see the descriptions given in the second video. Download MySQL using the exam server, and I have explained in the second video how to start the exam to work with the SQL commands. So kindly practice. Even you are having practical with this command, it will be easy for you to execute. Thank you. Have a good day.